Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here in downtown Lagos commercial city to give you site updates on what we have done so far, the level of development in here in downtown Lagos commercial city. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you stay updated anytime we drop updates in this channel. Enjoy the rest of this video. I will see you soon. Welcome back viewers. Remember we launched this project this year. It's a commercial land, 500 square meters and a 1000 square meters. In this location, this is the only commercial estate as of today. This location alone has the Dangote refinery, the Lekki deep sea port, the Lekki free trade zone, the incoming Lekki International Airport, and owning a commercial plot here is a compulsory thing to do. Let me get closer so that you will see the level at which we've gotten to. Trucks are on site and we have heaps of sands already for sand filling. Let's go see the perimeter fencing and the gatehouse. You can see the level of the perimeter fencing. You can also see the gatehouse. I want to get closer so that you will see what we've done. We are also sand filling. There are lots of sands. We are walking. As investors, this location is a perfect location for investment, more so commercial. This is high-tech construction company office, and with the information I gathered, they are sand filling the next project coming up, and we just have downtown Lagos commercial beside this project. Let me tell you one thing about investing in locations like this. You don't need to beat yourself around quick return on investment, because everything that is to give you a quick return on investment is already in place. Imagine a location that is bustling, that has lots of good infrastructures in it. I mean, you should be calling me now, or you send me a WhatsApp message to own a plot or more in downtown. Aside that, the estate has experienced some development. The Lagos Calabar Coastal Road is not left out either. Smart investors, don't hesitate. This kind of opportunity does not appear twice, and this is the best time to make profits. This opportunity does not come twice, and this is actually the perfect time to make a huge profit in here in downtown Lagos commercial. 5 million naira deposit will make a huge difference, and you are going to enjoy a 6-month interest-free payment plan. We have 12 months payment plan that has a little interest in it, so don't hesitate and own a plot or more in downtown today. Welcome back viewers. That brings us to the end of the tour. Make sure you own downtown Lagos commercial city today before it's too late. Procrastination is a thief of success, I will keep saying. So send us a WhatsApp message on the number displayed on your screen, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you stay updated on this channel. Till I come your way again, enjoy the rest of your day and have a blessed weekend. Bye.